According to Drive Tesla, the company has unveiled a new low-voltage connector standard LVCS aimed at simplifying vehicle electrical systems. This follows the success of Tesla's North American charging standard NACS, which has been widely adopted across the industry. Tesla's LVCS reduces the number of electrical connectors in a vehicle from over 200 to just 6 types, covering 90% of typical electrical needs. It builds on Tesla's 48 volts architecture, first introduced in the Cybertruck, which reduces electrical current by 75% while delivering the same power. This leads to more efficient, compact designs and lower production costs. The LVCS is also designed to support autonomous vehicle technologies, offering more reliable connections with advanced locking systems. Tesla is inviting other automakers and suppliers to adopt this new standard, similar to how they opened NACS for charging. The goal is to streamline manufacturing, reduce costs, and improve reliability across the automotive industry. You are listening to Yuan News.